Social Studies. 4. Our food. 4. Our food. In this chapter, we will learn about oilseeds, spices, oilseeds, spices, food habits, transportation of food items. Do MCQs. Match the columns. WH questions. Find words in image. Make collage. Ours is a very vast country. It does not have the same climate, same soil, and same landform everywhere. In some places, there are mountains. In some places, there are deserts. Some areas like plains are fertile and yield good crops. Owing to these geographical differences, farmers in our country grow different types of crops in different land areas. With a good transport system, now everything that grows in our country is within the reach of everyone. Food grains: rice, wheat, maize, jawar, and bajra are the food grains grown and eaten in different parts of India. In the northern states, people like to eat wheat and rice. In Rajasthan, the main food grains are wheat, jawar, and bajra. Rice is very popular in the eastern and southern states of India. Pulses. Pulses are eaten in almost every state of India. The main type of pulses grown in our country are urad, yellow gram, green gram, beans, etc. Fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables are important parts of our food. All types of fruits and vegetables do not grow in all seasons and in every part of our country. For example, mango grows in summer and grapes grow in winter. Oilseeds. We need oil to cook food. Coconut oil, ghee, mustard oil, groundnut oil, and till oil are some oils used in Indian food. Spices. Many kinds of spices like chilies, cloves, turmeric, pepper, and cardamom grow in our country. Species bring flavor and color to food and make it tasty. The state of Kerala is famous for spices. Indian food is popular all over the world because of the spices used. Special dishes. Sweets are popular and fondly eaten in every state of India. Sweets are made from wheat flour, khoya, paneer, nuts, and sugar. Some sweets like barfi, rasagulla, and gulab jamun are very popular. There are some dishes prepared on festivals and weddings. We feel good when we share special meals with friends and relatives. Food habits. People in our country have different food habits. Some people like to eat meat, chicken, fish, and eggs more than vegetables and food grains. They are non-vegetarians. People who do not eat eggs, meat, and fish are called vegetarians. They eat only food grains, pulses, fruits and vegetables. Transportation of foodstuff. We have seen that all types of crops do not grow in every state of India, but surprisingly, all fruits and vegetables are available in all parts of our country. The credit goes to the transport system of our country. Our country has a well-developed system of transport. Trains, trucks, vans, ships, boats, and aeroplanes take all kinds of goods from one place to another. Now, people drink coconut water in Delhi and enjoy apples in Tamil Nadu. Did you know we should not eat overcooked or very spicy food? We should eat all types of food. Activity. Take the states that produce the following. New words. Food grains. Cereals like wheat, rice, maize, jawar and bajra. Pulses. Seeds of beans, lentils and peas. Vegetarians. People who eat food grains, pulses, vegetables, fruits and milk products. Recap. Many types of food grains, pulses, vegetables and fruits grow in our country. Different types of oil are produced to cook food. People who eat eggs, meats and fish are non-vegetarians, and those who do not eat them are called vegetarians. Food grains, vegetables and fruits reach every place in India through the means of transport.